My name is Obedience. I'm a documentary photographer, a portrait photographer, and also a drone pilot. Today I'll be taking you through my creative process, taking you behind the scenes on how I create the works that I do. My favorite part of the shoot is ideation. I like the thought of bringing random and different things, trying to piece things together. Basically creating something out of nothing. Creative block, it's something that happens very often. The way I overcome creative block is most times I leave my house, I leave my space, I travel, I go to places I've never been before. Editing is not a direct process, and I believe it's the same way for most photographers out there. I just look at the scene, look at what feels right, make tiny little adjustments there, depending on what I want out of the picture, and I try to keep my edits as natural and as minimal as possible. The best advice I've received as a creative was not really an advice. It was something random and very fleeting. 2024 was in Igora, that's the twin capital of Nigeria. So I was having a discussion with Taiwan, and she asked me one question. She said, "What are you going to do with these pictures?" And to be very honest, since then the question has literally been at the back of my mind. So right now when I create, I always think of what am I going to do with this picture? What's the end point of me taking this picture, or the end point of me creating this particular narrative? Most of my works, I get inspiration from traveling, experiencing new places, experiencing new people. And I also get inspired by checking out the works of others. It gives me a different perspective to what I'm actually trying to do. But for the most part, traveling is a very big influence on how I create.